top of the morning. Welcome back to my channel. I am taking you guys with me. We're going to have lunch in Joburg and yeah, collect some stuff there. So I'm sorry I couldn't vlog early morning because I was running late, guys. Like your girl was running late, hence why no makeup right now, but it's okay, it's alright, it is well. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me take you with me, spend the day with me in Joburg. Bye, see you later. Yo guys, I'm looking rough, but hey, it is what it is. Sometimes I wish I was a cloud, just floating along, going wherever the breeze takes me. Wow, how sweet is it to be a cloud, floating in this blue. That's exactly how I'm feeling right now. If you're ever wondering if you can actually do your makeup on the flight, well, I just did, sis. And as you can see, I just switched up. I just pimped up a little bit. So yeah, just make sure that your makeup container must be 100 ml or smaller. And all your makeup products must be contained in a zipped bag when you go up the flight. And you're good to go. Hey guys, so I am back from Joburg, and yeah guys, I know you've probably been watching this video and you've been probably wondering like, what is this whole fuss about the Pampas grass? It's just that the Pampas grass has been trendy. It's so stylish for any type of decor in any room, especially the type of decor I'm going for, bohemian, rustic, classy type of, cozy areas in your bedrooms, in your living room. It could be anywhere really. It's a very decorative grass. So let me just show you. I am going to be unwrapping it actually for the first time. I didn't unwrap it in Joburg. I just carried with me. It was packaged pretty well. And yeah, let's take a look. I'm so excited. Guys, I've never been so excited about anything like this. Like, green plants, pampas grass, you name it, girl. I'm that girl. I don't get excited by roses, but just the simple grass, guys. Just the simple grass. Okay, so I don't even know if you guys can see this, but yeah. It's been such a long day, you guys. I guess I could post tears everywhere. I've been carrying this all around and people were like, what is that? Like in the slides and everything. Yeah. it's a struggle to really find this grass in Botswana, because we don't have it actually in Botswana. So the only option I had was Joburg, honey. And yeah, you're probably like, why didn't you Korea? You know, I wanted some breath of fresh air also, and have some lunch in Joburg. Yeah, why not? Ooh, guys. Yes, guys, do you see this? Okay, I'm not gonna show you so much right now, but watch my next video. I'm gonna show you how to actually style this grass about. So I have about 50 stems, and yeah, some are going for sale. So if you want, just DM me on my Instagram at whynot_Kelly. You know how we do, how it does. Oh my god, it's so pretty, you guys. Yeah, it's so totally worth it. No regrets. I'm so happy. Good night, guys. Thank you so much for watching and tuning into my channel. I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye. Good morning, you guys. So today it's a weekend, and I have nothing much planned out, but I'm thinking I'd go to a few items for my hair products, some makeup stuff, and yeah, guys, just a few toiletry stuff. Really, I don't need much. I already bought beginning of the month, so yeah, I'm gonna do that. And I'm thinking I want to arrange like an empty space in my bedroom, like at the corner of my bedroom. I don't know if you guys saw on my DIY that I did like some line art artwork, and if you haven't seen it, please do check it out. So yeah, I'm going to the space is still bare. I've put those pieces of artwork, but it's still bare, so I want to put something there. Okay, so I'm gonna do that, but before we get into all that, let me go make some breakfast, you guys. Some shake, nothing too hectic, you know, it's still very early in the morning, and yeah, let me just go make some shake. And yeah, guys, let's just get into it. do, baby? Ah, guys, I just came back from Airport Junction, and I'm sorry I don't have the footage for that, going through shops. It was quite packed because it is a weekend and I went like late morning. So yeah, let me just show you guys a few things that I got there. I went to Clicks and I went to Dynamic, and in Clicks I got this got to be glue. If you guys can see it clearly, it's a got to be glue spray. I was run out, and it's also, it provides a, it says it provides a strong hold. It provides a very strong hold on your wigs, so when you do installations it will look like it will stick and it will look proper, okay? Unlike the sticky ones, it will just leave like those white marks or just show that you actually use glue. So I prefer this got to be. And also I want to use it for DIYing my Pampas grass. But yeah, I'll just do a separate video on that where I do a DIY of Pampas grass to make it fuller and nicer, and that's all you need, honey. And also from Clicks I got these face wipes. These are so bad, I was just run out. They're good for even skin tone and just cleansing the face of makeup, so I'll be using them later on. And yeah, that is the Clicks product. And then I got this, guys. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Like, guys, this, I'm your plug, okay? Guys, I got this from Knockout. You know Knockout, guys, cash and carry. I think they call it cash and carry, but I got this from Knockout at station, and it was half the price that you get it from other stores, Clicks, Dynamic, and to mention a few. Like, really, it was really cheap. I got this for 49 pula. So yeah, you heard it from me first, okay? And I got this lotion which I'm actually trying out. Normally I use like Nivea Blossom, but I'm gonna try this. It's called, it's a feminine Nivea lotion. Apparently it's very good to firm your skin for aging and all that. Okay, I know what you're thinking, girl, you're not that old, but it's not like I'm worried about age or anything, but it's good to firm the skin, especially it's good for your bum. So a friend of mine had been using it for a while, and I've seen an improvement in her bum, and I thought she's been doing squats. She said, no honey, I've been using this Nivea firming cream. So it says here that you have to use it for 10 days. So I'm going to use it for exactly 10 days and give you guys a review on it, what I think about the product. Does it really work? Does it really firm my butt? And also it's good for cellulites, so they say. So I want to know if my cellulites will be going away, and if I gain a bit of weight, stretch marks and all that will be right in place. It won't be like a disaster. So yeah, guys, I'll just do a separate video on that one after 10 days. So make sure you do like, comment and subscribe, okay, so that you don't miss. Don't forget to switch on that post notification bell to make sure that you don't miss any of this. And other thing I got is Cotton On. Guys, Cotton On is so addictive. Like right now, since last week, because I am gonna post this video today, I wish I had bought this. So Cotton On, you guys, has sale. I don't know how long the sale is gonna last, but it has sale. Most of this item is like 50% off or 20% off or 30% off. So I got it, just a few items. I got this. So I got this, it's a palm neck. It's one for winter, but it's not too heavy. I just like nude. I'm so obsessed with nudes, guys, these days. So this is in a size small. You can see it was $2.79 before, and then I got it for 130 pula. So that is really great. And then the other thing, last item I got from Cotton On is this nice crop lazy wear, cozy wear kind of crop top. It's neat and I like it. It's so soft, you guys, and obviously the color, it's nude. This is the in color right now, which I'm so much obsessed with. I don't know if you guys noticed this. Also, my hands have a bit of nude in there. Yeah, guys. This was an excuse to also show you my hands, guys. I'm so obsessed with line art. If you haven't watched my tutorial on how to do some line art yourself, DIY, cheaper version, then you've got to go watch it. I'll just put on the card up there so Yeah, here or there somewhere. Just click on it and go watch. Okay, so this one it was 229. It was 229 and I got it for 130, guys. Like, you don't get this for one something at Cotton On, so I really do appreciate it. So ooh, I can't wait. You guys will see me in these soon when I do my try on haul. Hey guys. So this, as you can see, I've already unboxed it. I was trying to look through. I got a new cam, you guys, so I'm so excited. This is the ULTRA HD2.7K camera. As for vlogging, I haven't really tried it out yet. Yeah guys, let me just show you the inside, how it looks. It's like it's so portable. I like it's so portable, and also it has this where you can flip in. So guys, I'll just do a separate video on it. I'll just do this product review and let you guys know. It comes with a remote, comes with a microphone, and this is the stand that it comes with. Like, yo guys, I'll just do a video on it, a separate video on the review, and I hope you guys can support my channel and subscribe, you guys, and let me know your thoughts. What more would you like to see from me? And yeah, until next time, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.